Yes. Oh, and I have one of those Arco Iris, however you say it, powders for Okay, do y'all just want laundry bombs or do y'all want me to add cans on top? Cans, laundry. Arco Iris. Okay, I'm seeing more cans. We'll do some cans, some laundry. How about that? Sound good? Oh my god, that was a big one. Alright, are you ready? Barrel. One's on barrel.
Jesus Christ, all over me all the time.
I'm so glad you guys are enjoying it. Ooh, it got warm. okay. My legs are doing good. Thank you guys for asking. Oh yeah, I'm having so much fun. Thank you guys for being here, seriously. Okay, I saw someone ask like something about liquids, like what's left. Show about what's left to go in liquid wise or what's left for purchase. I love you guys too. I don't know why I'm smoothing it out when I'm about to just pour powder in here. Okay. Y'all ready for a hand mix? What do you do with the leftover stuff in the bin? It really just depends. Sometimes I save it, sometimes I drain it. Cause it's fun to smooth out. It is, I'm like, and then I find like a clump and I'm like, oh yeah. Like the big clumps that brings out the dry powder. Okay. This is the best life ever, thank you. Oh, is Shari in here? I didn't see her. Hello. Okay. I've never done like a powder mountain, so I just pour the cans and laundry just in one spot. Is that how it goes? Hi, Jamie. Welcome in. I want to make sure because I don't want to do it wrong. Yes, just in one spot? Okay.
One coffee already? Ice cream? Yeah,
Do you want more powder to go in? Or you want me to mix this in first? Thank you for the heart me. Can somebody translate what she said? More? Okay. Oh. Yeah, anybody can still add. Okay, I have this powder, this one, but it's blue. So I'm kind of curious what it's gonna do to the color. Like if it's gonna turn it green. Or not green, blue. Baby blue, yes. Okay, is this good? I have one Roma bag left to add in, one more Gain, some colored powder, and then cans. So the laundry's about to be done. More? Y'all want more? Okay, keep adding. Y'all aren't gonna get any freaking powder bombs. Okay. She asked what I have left. I have Roma bags for 3. I have 12 of those. I have 5 more extra bags. I have a Pinot bag for 15. I have a Murphy's for 5. I sure can. He's probably playing Call of Duty. But I don't know, he's been into other games recently. Thank you. Thank you, my other mom. You're no longer grandma. Disney's Pine Glow. I have 1 Pine Glow left to be added. You're so lucky, Nick. No, there's still lots of cans. Tiff is the cool auntie. You know what? Yeah. Ugh, the only thing I don't like about I love watching hand mixing, but doing it myself, oh hell no. It splashes so bad. I think we still have like 24 cans maybe. No, we'll still have more powder bombs. This was just a mountain of powder that the chat wanted. Hi.
What are you using to open cans?
The scissors, but I'll show you how I do it if you want to go hand me a can real quick.
I mean, I think I can just guess.
I just pop it in the middle and then pull it up.
Okay. I think I can manage that. Soraya Olivia is on her way home.
What? Why?
She just called me asking if she could come home.
Aww. Okay, that's fine.
All these cans are opening?
Yep.
Huh?
Yeah. Thank you, cans. Welcome back.
I think she's home.
Oh. My Soraya Olivia's home.
Do you breathe some of this stuff in?
Yeah, you probably need a mask too. Oh my gosh, my dog knows that. Yeah, my name's Taylor.